Hello friends, welcome to our channel. So now we are going to solve one coding problem. Write a program to print below pattern. The pattern is AA, B, 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 C, D, A. So this is the input you are going to give from keyboard. The expected output will be 2A, 3B, 1C, 1D, 2A. So for example, I am giving that input ITUTs. What is the output? What is the output? 1I, 1T, 1U, 1T, 2E, 1S. This is the expected output. Now we are going to discuss the algorithm, how I can write, how I can solve this problem. First I read the value. Step 1. Read the string. In step 2, I am declaring a variable count to count how many characters here. Here the count is 2. Here the count is 3. Here the count is 1. Here the count is 1. Here the count is 2. That means at least the count value is 1. So I am taking a one variable count and initialize it with the number 1. That means at least one character. In step 3, I am going to run one loop for entire string. For example, this is the string I am giving. AA, B, B, C. So for this we discuss A, that means what is the length of the string? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Length equals to 5. I start from here 1. Now I can compare with the second one. That means here I am writing a for loop for I in range of, for example, the string is yes. I am reading the string is yes. Now I can range of length of yes. That means what is the length here? 5. I compare up to here 0, 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4. But here when the I value becomes 4, 4 compare with 5. But there is no 5. At the time we get the error. So we can run this loop up to length of s minus 1. In step 3.1, in this for loop, I am going to check s of I with s of I plus 1. That means if I checking that s of I, that means this character equals to s of I plus 1. That means second character. If the both are the same, then count equals to count plus 1. For example, if it is like this, A, B, C, A of I not match with the I plus 1, then simply you are going to print the count. That means you can print the letter and you can print the count value. That means print count value plus print the character I. That's it. Now for ABC, it prints 1A. After print, again you can initialize the count equals to 1. You can initialize count equals to 1. Why? Because next you are starting with another new character. Now we can compare B with C. But in this case, A. These two are matched. So count equals to count plus 1. Now the count value equals to 2. After that, A compare with the B. Now A not equals to B, false, and go to here, print count value. What is the count value? 2. What is the I here? 2A. In this way, you can print the expected output. In this logic, we are not comparing these two, last two. Why? Because we can compare up to here. So at the end of the program, we can write a small code for these two, comparison of these two. How we identify the last character in a string? By using -1 index. How we can identify the second character from last? -2. -2. In step 4, we can compare these two. If a of -2 equals to a of -1. If it is true, then can print count value. Count value plus s of -1. Else, for example, the last character here, B, C, they are not matched. Then you can print only print 1 plus s of I. That's it. In this way, you can get the expected output. Take the string, initialize the count, run one loop for, you can check up to last character, you can check all the characters, 2, 2 with 3, 3 with 4, 4 with 5, 5 with 6. In this way, if it is true, count equals to count plus 1. If it is false, print the count value along with the I value. And for the last two characters, you run one if condition. If it is match, count plus value. Otherwise, you can print 1 plus s of I. Now we are going to see program.
Now we see print the pattern program. For that, open Python, and the pattern program is, you are giving the input like this, and the expected output is 3a, 2b, 1c, 1d. So this is the expected output. So now we can write the program. I am taking a variable a to read the input. Next, I initialized count equals to 1. So we can see what happened if I put length of a here. I am checking that a of I equals to a of I plus 1. If it is true, count equals to count plus 1. Else, print the count. We convert the count into string because we cannot concatenate number and a string. So we convert the count into the string, and I can concatenate a of I, comma, and equals to colon colon. If you are not giving that, it prints in next line. And initialize the count equals to 1. And we can check last two digits, last two characters. Print plus else, print single quotation 1 comma a of minus 1. That's it. Now we can execute this program. Save. Pattern. A equals to give the input here. Triple A B B C D. It returns error. Why? At the end of the string, length of A minus 1. Now we can check. We get the string index out of range, error. Now we can give the input triple A double B C D. So 1D. So 1D. Plus operator to use. Triple A double B C D. Yes, 3A 2B 1C 1D. Can check again. Run T I T U T E S 1T 1I 1T 1U 1T 2E 1S. That's it.